We have some news to tell you. Heavy rain may occur in your area. Flooding is at risk. However, wait, what? New info today. Oh man.
The following message has been requested to the United States government. We have reports of meat somehow coming to life out of nowhere. Scientists are trying to figure out what is going on. Hey, Mark.
Yeah, Tom. We need to leave this facility.
Oh shit, it's going to.
We've received some news. The lab at Missouri got a massive meltdown. Anyone in a 20-kilometer radius should leave the area now.
Hello. The United States government here at Jackson County Lab at Missouri has exploded. Evacuate the area. Living meat have mutated and are harming people. Close all entrances, even windows. Leave now.
Hello?
Help me.
Who is this?
Help me.
At San Diego, California, a girl shot dead in her house. Apparently there's more. More news about the living meat have been discovered. That's not meat. That's a living creature controlled by something else. Right now, we are still digging in what is going on, but I'd advise you to lock all doors and windows, board up the windows if they can break glass. Living meat have kidnapped children. They are spreading false info. Please don't listen to what they are saying.
Run away, they are not safe.
The US military are taking down these creatures. They are now recklessly harming citizens. We must run, get into a bunker until further notice. Oh shit, they found us.
Fuck.
Joey, we gotta get out of here.
The person who created the living meat has now been arrested for hacking all TV channels, mass murderer, child abduction, homicide, convinced 25 children to fall off a cliff, and is now facing death.